The most exciting thing as an artist is to see your artwork come to life on products. To actually physically hold that product in your hand and look at the design and say, I created that piece. I created the artwork that is on your phone case or on that bag you're carrying. I'm going to share my techniques and I'm going to show you how to develop and design all these beautiful patterns behind me. All you need is a small journal, some brushes, a little bit of paint, and you will be on your way to creating beautiful, complex looking patterns that are actually very simple to create. They are going to be awe-inspiring. I think something that everybody tends to forget is that professional artists always had to start somewhere. And myself, just like you, had to start at the beginning. And I had to learn. What colors do I use? Where do I start? What techniques? How do I make it my own? How do I create something that's unique? Believe it or not, I used to struggle with those same frustrations. I'm here to share my techniques and easy step-by-step lessons so that you can eliminate those frustrations and start designing beautiful patterns. In just 20 minutes a day, your painting skills will improve dramatically. Creating patterns in a sketchbook is the best way to relieve that pressure of having to create a masterpiece on a very large canvas. You're going to get step-by-step instructions for every single design and pattern that we're creating in this art journal. There's no fast forwarding, there's no having to stop and try to figure out my little techniques. I'm going to walk you through and I'm going to talk you through every step of the way. I have 2 additional courses that go hand in hand with the designs that you will be creating in this course. I am showing you so many different designs that will fill the entire 48 pages of this art journal course. Take the patterns and designs that I teach you in this course and learn the technique to digitize them so you can create your very own surface design and put these patterns on products of your very own. Let's start painting in pocket-sized journals and let's get inspired together.